Good evening. This is our title based on the article review, which is Virtual Learning Experience of Students and Tutors During COVID-19 Pandemic Period. This is written by me, Ashish Kumar Ghosh, and my group members who are Rangachari Munmudia and Ahmed Shakirin bin Ahmed Shukri. This is the first part of the introduction for this article. The novel coronavirus disease COVID-19 pandemic, which has infected about 3 million people overall the world and more than 200k people are died because of this disease in this world. Bhutan announced the closure of the school and institutions on second week of March 2020. Most of the governments of the world have temporarily closed educational institutions. At the moment, it is very important to using social interaction for learning and growth. Most of the states in the United States were forced to close school in March 2020. Using internet, attending class virtually is the only way to continue the study. In this case, student can learn from any place, anytime. In this article, mainly focus on the influence, benefits, problems, solutions for the learning at home using technology based on research and review. This is the next part for this article, which is method. There will be several strategies for research. Firstly, open the browser using Google as a database search engine. Search for google.com and being looking for a specific topic, which is learning at home using technology. For the search engine, we also can use Google Scholar for research article. The another part for method, based on our topic, we can search by using some keyword, adding in front of the topic such as the process of learning at home using technology. After searching, we need to be careful at that moment for choosing article. We will add another keyword, article at the end of the topic to produce a full article. For example, the benefits and backward of learning at home using technology articles. By searching articles, we will get variety of related articles. We will open them one by one from starting top to down, and we will go to the next page and open the link same as before until reach page 10. Try to find best article related to our topic. If we are not satisfied, we need to be change the keyword for searching and do the same process as before until get the appropriate or perfect articles. This is the last part of method, which is need to be identify more than 10 articles, and we need to download those articles, all the relevant files, and save it as PDF format. Open all downloaded files and review on those articles. After reading all the articles we have chosen, we pick which of them will be included in the review and create a map based on selected articles after review on them. The next part will be the outcomes and discussion. I would like to pass my friend, group member, Ahmed Shakirin. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. As the net presenter, my name is Ahmad Shakirin, and I'll be presenting about outcome in this discussion. We'll be presenting about the themes of outcome and discussion, which is the impact of learning at home using technology, the advantages and disadvantages, challenges, way to overcome those challenges. Okay, for the first part, which is the impact, we'll be looking at the transitions from traditional face-to-face learning to online learning. And also, we can also look at the online learning that has taken away the opportunity from children and parents, and also the sudden shift of face-to-face to online learning that may lead to some adjustment, and also the impact of online learning for the families. The advantages and disadvantages of those is that students can still learn from anywhere and anytime uh, during this pandemic time, and also their learning time can be more flexible and effective, and also because they do not have to meet in person, so they have much more convenient way for participants and instructors to communicate, and this also allow the students to learn at their own pace. Because of we are learning in an online environment, making it there is no such thing as personal interactions. Students and teacher also may have their own problems uh, in using these online platforms. For the third part, the challenges. For the students, they can barely look at their assignments and also making them not understand the concept behind those assignments. Students also having financial problems to purchase online devices, and also they can also hesitant to speak up during the classes. And also for the ways to overcome those challenges is that teachers can use variety of ways to communicate with students, and they can also stay in touch with the students, and also they can educate and learn in a much more unique way instead of the conventional one. And lastly, uh, educators need to give clear online instructions to the student to make it easier for the students to understand. And I will pass to the next slide to the next author, which is Aranga.
Thank you, Shakirin. So, good afternoon, Doctor, by the way. So, now I'd like to discuss on the theme, which is the impact of learning home using technology. So, virtual learning or learning from home is less effective compared to the face-to-face classes. So, as you know, students find difficult. So, lack of parental guidance, especially for young learners when both parents work. So, students find difficulty when there's no guidance for them when both parents work. So without proper equipment and facilities at home, the students were forced to switch to home learning. So sometimes student doesn't have enough equipment to learn at home, such as smart devices. So parents sometimes couldn't afford the equipment cost for the children because it costs high. The cost of the equipments are very high, so they can't afford it. So now the next thing is the advantages and disadvantages of learning at home using technology. So the advantage is beneficial for distance learning, and it allows to maintain the education system throughout the COVID-19 crisis. So it's an effective way on this crisis, online learning. It's an effective way on doing the COVID-19 pandemic. So it's convenient and comfortable way for students to attend online class sessions where to make them more engaged and become better learner. So students will be able to record the class session. It will be simple for them to go back and watch the videos. So the educators will be start a recording session so students can view the lessons once the class end. So on the part that they are not they don't really understand, so they can have a look back on the video, the record session. So now the disadvantage is unserious student behaviors in terms of times and flexibility might lead to several issues. So lack of communication between the educator and the students. So the miscommunication between student cheating issues and student identity. So these three are the disadvantages. And the next theme is the challenges of learning at home using technology. Students may also suffer technical challenges such as poor internet connection, which might affect how soon a student can attend class and avoid missing an online learning sessions. So students' academic performance is likely to drop. So the third one is limited contact hours with teachers and lecturers, as well as lack of consultations when they are having difficulty in learning or understanding anything. So the fourth thing is the ways to overcome challenges of learning at home using technology. So the educators may reach out to their students using a combination of audio, video, and text to keep their lessons accessible. So the educators shouldn't use an appropriate teaching methods and technology. So understand and learn the key features of the online platforms that have been used by the school organization. So to let the educators, the teachers to learn on the online platform, so it will be convenient for them to use, and also they can guide the students as well for the school organization. So students can communicate with one another through social media and numerous group discussions. So when they have group activity, so the next I'll come to the conclusion. So the virtual learning from home is a way that may serve all types of students and educators during this COVID-19 pandemic. So online learning, often known as virtual learning, so it's one of the way for students and instructors to stay connected and exchange knowledge and throughout about their class lessons and all. So students and teachers benefit from this process in a variety of ways where students can engage with their teachers in I mean they can have a separate meeting with their teachers and all. So using the online platform to ask questions during this COVID, because they have like they can't meet their teachers to face, so they can ask questions to the online learning to their platform that they are using for their virtual learning class. So that's for the conclusion. And these are the references, which are the author of the reference stated. So this is the second page of the reference, and this is the third page of the reference. And that's all from us, Doctor. Thank you so much, Doctor.